Today we're trying Travis Scott's new hard seltzer, Cacti.
A highly requested review
by you guys. We're gonna taste all 3 flavors and we're gonna let you know if we think they're thirsty approved or not. And if you wanna taste them at home, you can get them delivered to your door by bottlerover.com.
So they have 3 different flavors: strawberry, pineapple, and lime. I really like the cans.
Yeah.
They're pretty, they're a vibe.
Yeah, I do. I like the packaging. It's definitely screaming Travis Scott.
It's cool. It's like artsy.
First up, we're gonna be trying the lime.
Cheers. Oh. I taste the agave.
Yeah, the agave is definitely coming through. It doesn't really taste like tequila though.
It's made with 100% premium blue agave from Mexico.
Lime juice from concentrate, cold fermented cane sugar. So it's not tequila. It's sweetened with agave.
Oh, okay.
So these are 150 calories. I think most seltzers are like around 100 calories. So it's a little bit more indulgent.
Yes.
They have 7% alcohol, which White Claw, Truly, I know those have 5%. So there's a little bit more booze in here.
Which, that's a plus.
Should we rate them as we go?
Okay.
For a lime seltzer, I'm going to give this, compared to other lime flavored seltzers that I've had before, I have to give it a 7. Compared to like other lime, like I like agave in cocktails, but it kind of overpowers the flavor. The lime isn't coming through as much.
I don't know if I love the lime.
Yeah.
I want to taste the other ones. All right, next.
I don't know.
Pineapple time.
I think the lime could be better. Pineapple time.
Pineapple time.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It smells very pineapple-y.
Okay.
This
is a yes for me.
That's so good.
It's not real pineapple juice in here, but it
Oh,
tastes
wow.
really good. It tastes like pineapple, like fresh pineapple.
I'm into this. That's delicious.
I like this one.
I love it. I don't get to talk about it no more.
It's so refreshing, this one. I love that flavor.
And I love the bubbles in this. It's a party in there. Like, this is a lot of flavor. So if you like your seltzers with not much flavor, then this isn't for you. 10 out of 10. Passed with flying colors. Like, I just want a full box of pineapple in my house.
Well, we don't know because we haven't tried the strawberry yet.
So I'm a little nervous for the strawberry because I love strawberry flavor, but I usually like fresh strawberries muddled in my cocktails.
Yeah.
So strawberry flavor sometimes artificially can be a little bit
hit or miss.
Yeah. Could be good.
Usually miss.
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
I'm lit. I'm like lit.
Me too. I love it.
That's a Travis song where he says lit. We lit. Are you a Travis Scott fan?
I mean, I like him.
You got me stargazing.
What is that? What is it? The butterfly effect? What is it? Isn't there a butterfly song?
I'm not good with names of songs.
Me
I know
neither.
songs like if you start singing it.
I get those goosebumps every time. Mosh pit! I think everything he does is pretty cool, so including this logo.
Including him getting me lit today.
Yeah, cheers. Let's
Cheers
taste
to
this
that.
because I really want to taste
Oh my
this.
god, it smells really good. Okay.
Smells like a strawberry mojito.
Strawberry flavor coming through. Okay, here we go.
Yes, I taste the strawberry. The strawberry is there.
Okay.
It's very good.
Pineapple's better though.
100% like the pineapple better, but this is delicious. But the pineapple wins because it's a 10 out of 10. This is a 9.
A 9?
Yeah, it's pretty good. But I think I can only have like 1 strawberry. I think I can have like 10 pineapples.
Same. I agree with that.
It's thirsty approved. Stamp.
The pineapple and the strawberry.
Yes.
The lime we could do without it.
Can you please come out with a full box of pineapple?
Pineapple
is wow. That's how I would describe the pineapple cacti. Wow. Amazing.
Amazing.
Insert Lady Gaga. Amazing. Beautiful. Show-stopping. Never done before. We love it.
Thank you, Travis Scott, for some fire new seltzers.
Not only are your songs good, but your seltzer is poppin'.